Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to buy eSim that will work in Singapore. The link and coupon will be in the description, and let's go. Step 1. Open description in the video and click on link Voyafly eSim and open website voyafly.com and click on this and right thing. Alright, click on this, open new page and scroll down and choose data type, unlimited or fixed data. I'm select unlimited and choose speed plane, light, plus, premium. Alright, I recommend plus, maybe premium, and select days. I'm select 30 days premium speed and unlimited data and scroll down and click on buy it now. Alright, this service number 1 for eSim in the world. Absolutely, okay. And click on this discount code top side and write discount code ROAM tips. This name my channel. Click on apply and click on Google Pay and buy eSim. Or write email, write payment, write billing address and click on pay now and buy eSim. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because feedback helps me. Bye bye.